When I came down and did my initial stroll through, I noticed this vent here on the hot water tank. So this type of vent is called a B vent. This is also a B vent. And this all pretty typical to see it go into a chimney or something like that. That's pretty normal. What's not normal though is for this vent section here to be either level or tilted down. This is hot air with carbon monoxide trying to escape the home. We need to see upward slope all the time. So whoever did this install did it incorrectly. This point here needs to be much further down. The more slope that we can get, the better. If you look at the boiler, right, see how this is coming up and we've got good slope going into the chimney here? That's perfect. This here, how this is flat like this is actually really dangerous and can cause carbon monoxide poisoning. So if you have a B vented appliance, that could be a hot water tank, that could be a boiler like this one, or it could be your older style furnace. If this venting is not sloping up towards where it's exiting, it's wrong, it's unsafe. Call a licensed plumber or gas fitter to come and get that fixed for you. Very important.